Hello people, what's up? How are we doing today? Some of you contacted me on Facebook Messenger, some of you on WhatsApp, and you're asking me how can you invest because you've seen some of my videos and you are interested in investing. So this business is for you. This video is for you. I said business. Come on, man. What's going on? This video is for you. In this particular video, I'll just show you where you can invest, where you can actually buy stock yourself. I'll show you the platforms where you can actually buy. The one I use, other platforms that you can actually use yourself. You don't have to use what I use. Now you still have to do your own due diligence. You still have to read up this platform because I don't have an account on all these platforms I'll be showing you. So there's no way I can actually tell you what's really going on there. You just have to do your own due diligence for you to pick out a platform that is best for yourself. So that's it. Before I start showing you this platform, I will encourage you, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell so you get notified as soon as I drop a new video. And do like this video because it does help the YouTube algorithm. And do not forget to share and let's get this community to grow. Let's get more people to actually join us in this journey and make money. So I'll start with the platform I use. This is the Gyro or the Giro, whatever way you want to pronounce it. I don't know, like I know it's not English anyway. I think it's Dutch or German, one of them. This is the platform I use. I use them because of their low fees and it's straightforward and easy to use. I did a video some time ago on how to use the Gyro, so I'll leave a link up here somewhere. Just click on that link if you want to use the Gyro and you want to learn how to buy with the Gyro. You can just click on that link and learn. If you need to, you want to open a platform, or leave a link underneath here, you can actually click on the link to join this platform. They are not sponsoring this video anyway, it's just that I use this link and I think they do a refer a friend stuff. So if I share the link, it means I'm referring you, which means I'll get something out of it and you will get something out of it as well. I think it's $20 or so you get if you refer a friend, or €20 I get if I refer a friend and that friend uses the platform to actually buy a certain amount. Now I'm just doing this, leaving a link for yourself. You don't have to click on it because they're not sponsoring me and it doesn't stop anything from myself. So this is the platform I use. It's really good, easy, straightforward and all that. Easy to open up an account. You just need to bring just click on that link there and do follow the video, the steps and everything on how to become a member. Just click on the link and then watch my video. I have an in-depth tutorial there on how to buy stock using this platform because it's what I use. Now it's not just the Gyro that is here. There is another one that is big as well in Europe. It's called Etoro. People from Weibo in Nigeria or Calabar, Cross River in Nigeria familiar with this name, like Etoro. Growing up, at least I have a friend called Etoro even, but I know that starts with an I, Etoro, but it's the same pronunciation, Etoro. So anytime I see this name, I think about my friend Etoro. So you know what I mean. So this is another platform. I've not used Etoro before. I know lots of people talk about it, how you can actually copy other investors, what they're investing in, and you can actually copy the strategy and use it yourself if you don't want to do the work yourself, if you get what I mean. No, it's common there, and you can use this in the UK, different parts of Europe and everything anyway. So that is Etoro for you. It's not just this two, you also have the plus 500. I think if you follow what football club, I think Atletico Madrid, they have this on their as a sponsor, plus 500. Yeah, I think they have it on their jersey. Maybe not this season, maybe the previous season or something, they have it. It's a big one, plus 500 as well. Like I say, I don't have an account with them, so I can't get into this account and tell you how it is. So you just have to do your own due diligence. Like you can see your partners of the UEFA Champions League teams. Yeah, you can see, like I say. So that is plus 500. You still have another one called trading212.com. Now the good thing about trading212, I had them once. I do have an account with them, but that's on my phone. I think they give you 50,000 dummy account for you to trade. It's a dummy account for you to practice trading and learn your skills, for you to grow your skills. So they do that here on trading212. I had an account to actually do, but I didn't really make use of it because I'm not a trader. I'm more of an investor, a long-term holder. So I don't trade, but you know, sometimes I just see a deal and I just say, okay, I'll try this deal and make a quick buck or something. But you can still do that with the Gyro anyway. You don't have to be, you can open a trading account with the Gyro thing. So that's it for those in Europe. There's still more in Europe anyway, but these are like the 4 big giants when it comes to online retail brokers online. These are like 4 big giants I've shown you in Europe. Just choose one, do your own due diligence, and take it from there. Now, if you are in Nigeria and you're looking for a platform where you can buy stock, American stock. I know in Nigeria there's so many problems going on right now, like the government is cracking down on cryptocurrency, they're cracking down on forex trading. One thing I know they cannot crack down on is stock, because it's a global thing. It's cracking down on investing in companies. Come on, it doesn't make sense. So the government won't crack that down. So there are several platforms there. I think some of them are having issues because they were doing cryptocurrency, and some of them are having issues because they were doing forex trading and a whole lot. So the government is actually cracking down on those ones. But I do know Trove. Trove is a good platform where you can actually use it, investing simplified, forget high account opening fees, become a global investor with a tap of a button, invest in American, Chinese and Nigerian stock, bonds, ETFs and more with as little as 1,000. So this is one. I did a video about these guys as well. I'll leave a link up here so you can actually, I did an in-depth video, so I'm just showing you this right now so you know where to buy if you've not seen that video. Click on that link, you'll see me talk about this and Trove, the benefits of using Trove and how they can actually help you. Because I know with Trove you can buy stock, you don't have to buy a whole stock. You know what I mean? Like you can buy in bits and all the stuff. So just check out Trove if you're in Nigeria looking to buy. For those of you contacting me from Nigeria. And there's another one here, Bamboo. I always like doing two, so you have an option for you to play with. You don't just get stuck investing in. You don't just get stuck with one thinking that they're the only ones. You need to have options. Survey the market. Look for the best offer, the best deal for yourself before you jump into it. Yeah. So this is Bamboo Invest, Bamboo Invest, whatever. The Bamboo gives you unrestricted access to over 3,000 stock listed in the US Stock Exchange right from your mobile phone or computer. So they have the app for yourself, Android and Apple. So you can have that and do your investment. Like with this, you don't have to just buy global stock like American stock. You can buy Tesla, GTB Bank, Dangote. You can even buy Alphabet stock, whatever stock Unilever you're looking for. You can actually use this app to actually buy if you're in Nigeria looking to buy stock. Now, aside that, if you live in the US, there's a whole lot of them there for you. I'm surprised when some of you actually told me that where can I buy in the US? Like, it's everywhere in the US. And the big one, Robinhood. Robinhood is big, like very big. I think that's where almost everyone is right now in the US. Like most people investing in the US, they use Robinhood. Although they had a problem, like when it was early this year when the price for GameStop, they had an issue where they had to like put on hold on investing in GameStop when people were like cashing out and making money. A whole lot of people were angry at that stage, right? If you get what I mean? Like, but since then, I think things have been good anyway. Most people use Robinhood. Check them out as well if you're in the US. Like I said, I won't just leave you with one. I'll give you an additional one, which is Weibo. Weibo is a big one. Enjoy tech, enjoy investing. So zero commission and no deposit minimum. Everyone gets smart tool for smart investing. I don't have an account with this stock, so I don't with this organization, so I won't tell you in-depth information about this stock. I'm just giving you platforms. Like I said, you contacted me, you asking me how you can actually buy, and since you've asked me, I know that you're not the only one looking for this information, so I'm just giving you I'm giving every one of you out there looking for the stuff. So I won't go in depth analyzing this. So, but you have stock, you have options, ETFs, ADRs, and all the stuff. So that is Weibo. And the last one that I will talk about, although there's more there, is interactive brokers. So this is interactive brokers. You can actually use their platform if you want to be an online retail broker like myself. Not like an online retail. Yeah, you're the broker yourself. You're not paying anyone. You're the one doing it yourself. You're the one researching these organizations and everything. So that is another one here for yourself where you can use it if you are in the US of A. So that's it for this video. Now you have series of platforms where you can actually invest in stock. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you've not done so. And for those of you already subscribed, I say thank you very much for keeping us going. And please like this video, hit the notification bell, and do not forget share this video. And if you do have any platform you think is better than these ones that I've shown, help others, like help us to know by leaving a comment below. Just talk about your platform and why it's better than this comment that this platform I've actually displayed here. Just leave a comment below. Yeah, have a good one. Bye now.